How to fix the Shopee M02? This promotion cannot be redeemed. So let's get started. So firstly you have to go into your account. Now from here you have to log in into your account. And you have to go in the vouchers and click on the voucher special offer. So now once you are in, as you can see that here I have 3 vouchers. So if you are facing the problem with the voucher promotion, so that means that you didn't have followed the terms and condition that the Shopee gives you. So what you have to do is simply click on it, and from there you have to click on the use. So once you click on the use, you have the more details. From there you have to go in it, and from here you can read the terms and conditions. So once you read that, after that you just have to click on the use, and you are able to use the vouchers promotions. So that's how you can fix the Shopee M02 promotion cannot be redeemed. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.